It was another gorgeous day here in South Florida. Plenty of sunshine, just a couple of fair weather clouds here or there. That's about it. But over the next few days, the storm system approaches and rain chances will slowly start to increase over the next few days. But in the meantime, right now, temperatures in the lower 80s, 81 at the airport, 81 South County, and 81 along the Treasure Coast as well. But it is breezy. Right now we're seeing sustained winds up to 15 miles an hour with gusts over 20 miles an hour in some spots. So it will be pretty breezy this evening if you're stepping out with the kids to go trick-or-treating. Otherwise, all is quiet right now. We do have an easterly wind flow bringing in some fair weather cumulus, just those puffy white clouds. But we are tracking a storm system that is building across the state of Texas. You can see it right there. And eventually this system will sweep a cool front into South Florida and increase our rainfall chances. Plus, ahead of it, we'll start to see more of a southerly flow, which will increase our temperatures and the humidity as well. But if you're stepping out this evening to go trick-or-treating in Palm Beach County, temperatures generally in the upper 70s. In the meantime, for the Treasure Coast and back across the lake, temperatures will hover in the middle 70s, but everyone is dry.